बीइंग इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, क्या लगता है कि ये मार्केट कहाँ तक जाएगी?
It just changes the entire dynamic.
कौन सा कंटेंट इज ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल है?
Lifestyle is everything. Everything you're doing is lifestyle.
आई डोंट थिंक कि एवरीवन इज इन्फ्लुएंसर.
Very few people create content for the sake of creating content.
Thank you for coming on our podcast.
Always.
So tell me about this thing like being influencers. क्या लगता है कि ये मार्केट कहाँ तक जाएगी?
Yes.
और इसमें क्या चीजें फिल्टर होंगी? Because now is like कि everyone's become an influencer. It's very important right now to understand for me my perspective. मेरे को ये लगता है कि अगर मैं being honestly, I don't think कि everyone is influencer. Everyone was trying.
Of course.
But मेरे लिए क्या है कि कौन सा कंटेंट इज ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल है? हाँ यार, ये कंटेंट मेरे बहुत काम आया.
That is true.
So how to define to those things? Like how to find the subject before making a content?
Again, what you're passionate about, but I would like to say that most content creators just don't aspire to be
But
content
what is the
creators.
biggest market? कि ऐसा कौन सा कंटेंट है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा आप
Fashion and
रेवेन्यू बना सकते
lifestyle.
हो?
Fashion and lifestyle. Lifestyle is everything. Everything you're doing is lifestyle. But I'll tell you one thing. Pretty much every content creator sees it as a means to an end. Like people who want to become an actor post acting reels. Okay, people who want to be a chess master post chess reels. For example, very few people create content for the sake of creating content. It's always there is some end goal that they can use the content for. I'll give you my own example. Like I make content because I really like it, but I also see the potential of starting a personal brand. Let's say, for example, I have X amount of reach, and a small percentage, let's say 0.1% of that reach, is loyal audience, and they would be interested in a product if I took out something. And again, if I can provide good value to them with that product, then it's a win-win situation for everyone.
But what used to happen before is कि अभी क्या हो गया कि like जो मैंने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस किया है, पहले जब हम एज अ मॉडल बुक्ड होते थे तो देयर विल बी अ बेस्ट फोटोग्राफर फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री. दे यूजुअली पिक, वी आर शूटिंग आउटडोर लोकेशंस, सब प्रोडक्शन का खर्चा है. एंड दे यूज्ड टू स्पेंड एटलीस्ट 30 lakhs 40 lakhs 50 lakhs और CR also for a big campaigns.
Yeah.
And now is like कि most of the marketing brands are become very smart. वो बहुत स्मार्ट हो चुके हैं. वो इन्फ्लुएंसर को लेते हैं and they usually X amount of money जो भी वो सिलेक्ट करते हैं. We used to get paid कि we just have to present there. हमें अपना एक पर्सनालिटी पर्सोना दिखाना है उस गारमेंट्स में, एंड उनके ब्रांड्स को स्टडी करते हुए we have to showcase ourselves in the garments कि we are representing the brand and we are part of the brand. But as a being influencer, I'm saying कि like now सारा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन का झंझट तुम्हारे ऊपर है. Everything done by has to be done by you.
Yeah, I personally like it because again, it gives me a lot of chances to express my creativity in many ways, try out different things. But again, it gets hectic with deadlines. But anything gets hectic with deadlines.
Deadlines is like part of life. I don't know like how to handle with the deadlines because as a being creative person, deadlines कोई मैटर नहीं करती अगर मैं अपना वो कंटेंट नहीं निकाल पा रहा हूँ. बट आई एम सेइंग कि जहाँ हम 30 lakhs rupees spend कर रहे थे, now marketing has become more smarter,
Yeah.
playing
No,
more
they're still
smarter.
spending the same amount. They're just changing the way they're spending it. Okay, let's say you do a campaign and you post it, let's say on Instagram. A brand posts it on their Instagram. Obviously, it look beautiful when you open the Instagram. But now you imagine you just spend a slightly lesser money on the Instagram and you send the clothes to several influencers and you pay them a certain amount.
But there is no any
Think of the eyeballs on that.
there is no
Let's say
any
1
website.
billion people see it. 1% of 1 million, 10,000 people. So let's say 1% of the audience buys it. Okay, so that's 10,000 sales right there. So again, it just changes the entire dynamic. So that's why even content, that's why I feel like has a lot of scope, because in the end, designers want to sell clothes, right?
That's I know, that's a fact of life.
People that see it.
मेरा ये होता था कि whenever I'm walking for any designer, तो हमारी walk होती है सिर्फ 30 सेकंड की, और मेरा ये टारगेट था कि before exit वो 30 सेकंड में I need to sell this garments most of the time. So that's now digital market ने ऐसा कर दिया कि now you have to make the 30-second reel and you have to sell the garment in 30 seconds.
Pretty much.
So nothing has changed. I think way has changes.
And
But
things will keep changing.
yeah, the world is want to grow and we also want to grow.
Always. With it. And we need to see where it's going towards and we need to capitalize on it.
Yeah.
Not exactly capitalize, but capture it and be ready for it.
अपने आप को आने वाले भविष्य में कहाँ देखते हो?
शादी बच्चे.
That is
I'm
the
kidding,
truth of
okay.
life. But I'm saying by